In problem number 90, we're given data tables with information about a function f. We're told that f prime of 3 is 2. And we're told that f prime prime of x is negative on the interval from 2 to 4. So let's see which of these tables would match that description. If we start testing the data in table A, we can find the average rate of change on this interval. So we would do 6.5 minus 2.5 over 4 minus 2, which is going to be 4 over 2, or 2. Looks like the average rate of change of the data table in function in table A is 2. So it makes sense that the instantaneous rate of change would be 2. And you can tell that our function is concave down, because the rate of change is decreasing. From 2 to 3, we increased by 2.5 over 1, and from 3 to 4, we increased by 1.5 over 1. So the amount of increase is leveling off. A is a possibility. If we test the table in part B, we see that the average rate of change is going to be 7 minus 2.5, or 5.5 over 2, or 2.75. Now, personally, I don't think this rules out part B, but the answer that we're going to find is not B. This graph increases by 2.5 from 2 to 3, and 2 from 3 to 4. So this data is also concave down. Now let's look at part C. If we look at part C, our average rate of change is 6.5 minus 3 over 4 minus 2. Which will give us 3.5 over 2, or 1.75. Again, we increased by 2, and then we increased by 1.5. I don't think C is eliminated from contention either, but C is not the answer that we're going to come up with. If we look at the data in table D, our average rate of change will be 7 minus 3 over 4 minus 2, which is 2. So this looks like it could be a contender, because we can guarantee then that f prime of 3, or f prime is 2 somewhere in the interval. But you see how we increase by 2 each time. This is a constant rate of change, which makes this function linear, not concave down. So we can eliminate D. And now let's look at part E. The average rate of change, 7.5 minus 3.5 over 2. This equals 2. So it looks like we have a good slope, but the rate of change indicates that this function is actually concave up, not concave down. So of the answers, A, B, and C look like they might be in contention, but A is the only one that has a rate of change that matches the description in the problem statement. So we'll go with answer A. Hopefully this was helpful. Thank you for watching.